Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open this morning's webinar, the Federal Reserve announced its benchmark interest rate this morning and was unchanged. Along with that, the published monetary policy statement gave little indication also of the next hike. So the market pretty much was rather stable as the Aussie Australian dollar ends up posting a doji overnight and still contained by the resistance of 76.0530. In light of the current pattern, I still view the market to hold beneath that level, and while intact, I'll be looking for a move down towards 75.2530 with the trigger level seen at 74.75. Now a break beneath there would give further exposure towards 72.80. The euro still contained by the resistance of 108.2050, and also in terms of the dollar index, that comes in around 99 figure to 50. While we still hold beneath this level, which is around the December highs of 2016, I'm looking for a move down towards 107.35 as minor, and then lower down towards 106.8085. to 105.7085. In the event we do see a break above 108.50, then this would negate in the short term any bearish threat and instead put a move towards 109.1520 to 109.80, but at this stage is unlikely to come through. The dollar yen story, after stabbing towards that 112 region, has managed to recover and got to a high overnight of 113.8595. Now that's the trigger level today. If we get above that level, then further bullishness will come through for the market to target 114.65 to 115.55. Any weakness on the day should find demand from 112.80 with the firm support holding at 112.30, and it is only viewed beneath there that the market will fall further to a potential 110 objective, but this looks unlikely. Sterling gains further overnight after taking the 126.2025 resistance out and now wipes all the losses for this week since rebounding off 124.20. Resistance comes in now at 126.7080, and I expect to see that level hold. However, if we see the weakness return for the US dollar, this could put further threat to the upside and may see that level give way and then expose the next target around 127.7080 to the figure. So we need to see how that plays out in the next 24 hours. Gold, after falling away from its highs of 12.15, did stab a low of 11.98 overnight before recovering mildly. I still expect to see further weakness in the coming session and look down towards 11.96 as an objective, while the resistance holds at 12.20 to 24 and reassess from 98.96 in case we get a further bearish move. Still towards the top side, I expect to see that supply coming in around 12.22 to 24. And wrapping up with oil, pretty much unchanged, still trading sideways, with the market holding to the band of 49.60 to 54.60. Little change from that, from my view, is that I'm still looking for a move down. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report that will be released shortly.